got a new tent. It's a tree tent. Pretty excited about it. But I'm going camping this weekend. I don't want to get up there to the mountain and realize I don't know how to put this thing up, or I'm missing parts, or it's terrible. Send it back. I've come here to the woods near my house. I can actually still see my house from here. I don't own these woods, but one day I'm just gonna pop this thing up on some trees real quick. See how hard it is to do. I've never put a tree tent in the trees in the woods. Should be pretty fun. Are you ready? Let's do it. Climbing trees for the shot. Pretty sure I got this thing on wrong. It's pretty much a triangle. So it sleeps three. One here, one this way, and one this way. This one seems to be the more comfortable of the three. I don't know what is causing that. It's a pretty cool tent. Not the most comfortable tent I've ever been in. I mean, I guess it's more comfortable than the ground, but it's not even that comfortable as a hammock. but it's gonna be so much fun. I'm pretty happy with it. Not bad. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Not sure how well I'm gonna be able to sleep in it. I don't think you're supposed to sleep that well when you're camping. 10 out of 10 would recommend. That's just me trying to justify purchasing it. An honest review, maybe like 8 out of 10. Now I gotta take it down. Least favorite part of any tent ever, because it never fits back in the bag. If it fits back in the bag, I'll raise it to 9 out of 10. Okay, let's take this thing down.
She says it's giving a pleasure to be near me.